So FlexiBuff and Enamelize, and the way you want to use it is I start out with high pressure, slow speed, and I take my time. As it starts to splatter off, I increase the speed and decrease the pressure. You can always go back and just smear some more of that Enamelize, good old Enamelize on it. And you can see that glossy surface just shining on you. Now, the interesting thing about this technique is we didn't do much. We put in the secondary and tertiary anatomy there with a coarse or a medium, or actually fine, not coarse, but fine diamond, and then to soften them with rubber rotaries. And then you just go straight to the polishing aluminum oxide paste, and you get a shine, a gloss, and a surface smoothness that is just unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. And you can keep the texture, you can keep the texture while having a fantastic gloss and smoothness as well. So you can see what a gorgeous a finish we are able to get with this technique.